Indian Academic Eminence Award 2025. The Indian Academic Eminence Award 2025 is a prestigious national recognition initiative organized by the Indian Association of Research and Development Professionals, IR, a unit of SK Research Group of Companies, in association with SKRGC Academy. This award ceremony is designed to honor exceptional contributors across a wide range of academic, professional, industrial, and entrepreneurial fields. SK Research Group of Companies, SKRGC, stands as a beacon of excellence in fostering education, innovation, and professional development. As a key pillar of this prestigious group, the SKRGC Academy was launched with the primary aim of empowering students, scholars, and educators by providing them with opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills. Through its dynamic range of activities and initiatives, SKRGC Academy has become a hub for academic and professional growth, driven by a commitment to excellence and collaboration. The Indian Association of Research and Development Professionals, IR, is a premier professional body dedicated to fostering research excellence and promoting innovation across disciplines in India and beyond. As a dynamic platform, IR brings together scholars, academicians, industry experts, and development professionals committed to advancing knowledge, sharing best practices, and driving impactful solutions in science, technology, education, and social development. With a vision to create a vibrant research community, IR organizes conferences, workshops, publications, and collaborative projects to encourage interdisciplinary dialogue and capacity building. The association serves as a hub for professional networking, idea exchange, and policy influence, aligning research pursuits with real-world applications and national development goals. IR is a unit of SK Research Group of Companies and operates with a mission to support researchers at all stages of their careers, promote ethical standards in research, and contribute meaningfully to the global research ecosystem. IARDP is to emerge as a premier platform that unites research and development professionals across diverse fields to foster innovation, academic excellence, and sustainable progress. The association aims to bridge the gap between research and real-world impact by encouraging interdisciplinary collaboration and global engagement. IARDP is to promote a culture of high-quality, ethical, and socially relevant research by organizing conferences, workshops, training programs, and publications. IARDP is committed to nurturing young researchers, enabling knowledge sharing, and supporting the professional growth of its members. Through its initiatives, IARDP seeks to contribute meaningfully to national development goals and the broader global research ecosystem.
Welcome our chief guest.
Welcome our chief guest, Dr. K. Ravikumar sir.
It's time to deliver the awards.
Best Teaching and Research Excellence Award goes to Dr. M. Ravi sir. Research Excellence Award goes to Thanigavel Sundaram sir. Excellence Sports Leadership Award goes to Dr. D. Harigran sir. Distinguished Lifetime Leadership Award goes to Dr. K. Dharmarajan Sir. Best Teaching and Research Excellence Award goes to Dr. Debmalya Sinha Sir. Academic Excellence Award goes to Patan Ferdoz Khan Sir. Patent Excellence Award goes to Dr. Sarbashri Nath Ma'am. Teaching Excellence Award goes to P. Bhargavi Ma'am. Patent Excellence Award goes to Dr. Manbendra Nath Sir.
SKRGC Academy upcoming events details.
Faculty Development Program. Conference Program. One-day workshop. One-day seminar. One-day workshop. Registration open. Contact now. Congratulations to all the participants and awardees.